can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Toni Bryanne and my channel is all about beauty, fashion, and discovery. And if you guys want to see more lovely content from me, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right now down below. So as you guys could tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys several ways to style your box braids, especially when they're getting old, because when they get old, you probably want to take them out because box braids look best when they're fresh. However, there are so many different ways to make them look new and cute, and I'm going to show you guys all those different styles that I do or that I've seen. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video because I don't want to talk too much. And it's about to rain, so roll the clip. guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with all your friends and family. Comment down below what your favorite hairstyle was, if you use any of these hairstyles. How long do you guys keep your box braids in? I keep mine in for about 4 to 6 weeks. Whenever I do like the box braid takedown, you guys are like, those braids look brand new, but I just get so bored of my hairstyle, then they start looking old and crusty to me. But for the most part, I keep them in about 4 to 6 weeks. These braids are about 5 weeks old now, and they still look really good. I am starting to get bored of it, but I don't know if I'm going to take it out yet or anytime soon, but we shall see. I love you guys so very much. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.